Welcome back once again. So today I'll be installing this red line stickers. This so I got it from Wish for 150 rupees. So we have five lines in this. So I'll be using only two. So I'll install this today. So I'll show you once it is installed. So I have installed it now. You can see the look of the car now. The look has been enhanced. I think it's looking good. You can just stick it by yourself itself. Just need to cut little because here you'll be having a little extra. So take a exact measurement and then cut as much as you want, and you can install it. Like now I've installed two lines. So guys, let me know in the comment box like one line was better or this one is better. So I'll know because of you guys. So please tell me, please let me know in the comment box the one line was good or these two lines are good.